So the Labo reviews are in, and everyone seems to think it's just folding some cardboard. But you know, I don't blame the people. Nintendo's marketing team over the last 10 years has been hit or miss to say the least. Consider the following. Wii Fit and Wii Fit Plus combined sold over 43.8 million units. That's almost half the total number of Wii consoles, even though it was a mold-breaking accessory for a first-of-its-kind console. Everyone understood what it was, and they wanted it. Then, the Wii U was a complete flop, because basically no one knew what it even was. Months after it came out, I invited some friends over, and not a single one of them understood that it was a new console before they arrived. After seeing the ads, most of them thought it was just a tablet accessory, and these guys are gamers and tech heads. I guess that's why it only sold 13.6 million units. Then there's the Switch, an instant sensation, so naturally the roller coaster department was due for a flop, and Labo, well, I don't have sales numbers yet, but I can make an educated guess that they're not very high. Now, to be fair, it is a bit more niche than something like a Wii Fit naturally, but I believe the main problem is that this guy's just pretty misunderstood. If you want to know what it's really about, keep watching. Today's video is brought to you by Mack Weldon. Mack Weldon makes great underwear, t-shirts, socks, wallets, and more. They believe in simple shopping, and if you use code TECHTIPS, you'll get 20% off through the link below. So, you got me. You do start with folding cardboard, but the cardboard folding experience is just teaching you the basics in a fun, creative, and engaging way. It's not what the whole experience is about. It's like the first mission in a game. And I must add, with the best instructions of any project I've ever built, hands down, you'll see them through this whole explanation. The first Labo project you build is a little bug car. It teaches you that vibration can make things move, that you can manually control the vibration frequency, and introduces the concept that you can see things through the IR camera, especially IR trackers. The fishing game teaches you about the physical feedback of generating resistance through the use of rubber bands, and the audible feedback from the clicking noise generated by a cardboard tab being hit by the reel. The Motorbike teaches you about the use of gyroscopes and advances on the ideas of resistance and feedback with the throttle. The House teaches you intermediate IR camera use, how it responds to IR stickers, and how the stickers getting closer to the camera or turning away from the camera, etc. can be registered and responded to. And finally, the Piano shows you that you can take these concepts much further than you may have previously thought, that you're not just limited to 1 or 2 IR stickers or a couple basic interactions. All of this is fun in games, literally, and depending on the age range of the person enjoying it, finishing these projects may be the satisfying conclusion to a fun solo or group project with great pacing. But Labo is really about, wait for it, the lab part of the name. It's about doing things yourself and experimenting, like in a lab. And you do this through Toy-Con Garage, which allows you to create your own Toy-Con projects through the use of a basic programming interface that lets you tap into the power of the Switch and its multifunctional Joy-Cons that you just spent the entire cardboard folding experience learning about. And the power is real! Ariana Grande, Jimmy Fallon, and The Roots did an astonishing performance of No Tears Left to Cry with just Nintendo Labo instruments. We left out audio for copyright reasons, but it sounds incredible. Better than the original, in my opinion. Go watch it now, and then come back. Then we have Japanese researcher and inventor Kentaro Yoshifuji, who modded a 13-year-old boy's electric wheelchair so that it could be driven around with the motorcycle toy instead of the normal joystick for just some awesomely wholesome fun. But you don't have to go that crazy with it either. I've found on YouTube there's people who have recreated Game & Watch, which is really cool. There's also a bunch of different people making like vending machines, and one that I really like is you take a container, have the IR camera looking down into the container, and then just have it count how many things passes by. So you can throw things and see if it actually goes in and keep score. It's cool. So in conclusion then, should you buy a Labo? Whether it's for a little kid you know or a big kid you are, I think Brad on Twitter actually put it a little bit better than I can. Yes. but not for the folding cardboard. It's about the experience as a whole. It's about building something with others and empowering you to play with your own creation. It works on its own, but it's best enjoyed as a social creative thing, like building IKEA furniture, except fun and with no potential to ruin your relationships. Speaking of relationships, if you have a bad relationship with your current website, or you want a new relationship with a new website, you should check out Squarespace. They have 24/7 live chat and email support, so communication will not be a problem in this relationship. It's only $12 a month, and you get a free domain if you buy Squarespace for the year. Commitment is good. They have responsive design so your website will scale and look great on any device. They also have commerce modules so that every website can come with a free online store, which is good. They also have cover page features, so if you want a one-page online presence for something like a resume or just an info page that needs to be simple and clean, they can handle that for you. Everyone can also now publish content in the Apple News format directly from their Squarespace blog module, which makes it available to millions of potential readers. Start a trial with no credit card required and start building your website today. When you decide to sign up for Squarespace, head over to squarespace.com/LTT and use offer code LTT to get 10% off your first purchase. Thanks for watching, guys. If this video sucked, you know what to do, but if it was awesome, get subscribed, hit the like button, or check out the link to where to buy the stuff we featured in this video in the description down below. Also linked in the description is our merch store, which has cool shirts, not like this one, because this is a Mac Weldon shirt, but there's cool shirts down there. Also, you can join our community forum because it's awesome, and you know what? I don't know if the link's down there, but you should join Flowplane, because it's cool, it's stuff. Go to flowplane.com, it's amazing, it's really cool, it's good, you'll like it. Sorry I've been gone for so long. I think it's been like 4 months, but I'm here, and I don't know when I'll be back next. I'll see you guys later.